Season 1 and Season 2 Volleyball Boys Back-to-Back Champion! Season 1 Basketball Men First Runner-Up! And last year's Best in T-shirt Design winner! And this time, we will continue to dominate the competition with our cheer dance performance with the team Pagdumdum. Pagdumdum sa amon time diri sa Monserrat sa Gaskwila kami. Pagsaulog sa amon graduation kag pagpadayon sa amon nga profesyon. Si Joven, ang aming presidente. Nandito din si Joven, wala siyang bearing. Nandito rin si Mario, baklay apelido. Magbabagsakan dito in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Si Jagi dulu na signal.
Alright!
Galing ng world! What a performance!
Ang 2012, Sir Paulo.
Yes, that's right. Congratulations no, sa inyong wonderful performance. Truly worth it, Gid, ang inyong pagpainit diri.
Yes, yes, yes.
Enjoy nyo, Gid, ang inyong moment.
Okay, Mama Sir, tayo pa sa Mama Sir. Tayo pa, may nagkalabilin pa. Ikiliw na lang clean ang ako.
Si Mark, good job, Mark.
Good job, 2012.
Alright, Samos, good job.
Grabe na mga bakaser, no? Ay, nako.
Up next, last performer na lang natin.
Yes, Sir Paulo.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome back
2015! Oh, may pabak po sila, sir?
Plus naman lang gali.
O, dumadamo sila, Sir Paulo? Sila ni Gulong pinakadamo. Tapos sila pa nag-last na nag-perform. Deserve. Ready? You need mic? Para si operator uptake. Of course, boy, RMS.
Watching from UAE na may spondon niya. Shout out din, shout out. Hindi mo basa pa siya guys.
Ready na 2015? Okay.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. May I present to you Batch 2015. Batch 2015.
our all performers of cheer dance. We have 2002, 2003,
2004,
2005,
2006,
2007,
2010,
2012,
and 2015.
Alright, good job guys and congratulations!
So sa liwat na natin ang second runner-up makabatol sa 2,000 pesos, ang first runner-up makabatol sa 3,000 pesos, and ang best in cheer dance makabatol sa 5,000 pesos.
Alright, so Sir Paolo, we're going to proceed to our awardings. Alright.
Alright, before kita mag-announce ang atong winner sa atong nga cheer dance, kag sa atong nga saludo.
Oh, saludo. Okay, we're going to have award first, the Alumni Cup
Shout out batch
Season
1990.
1.
Alright, before
Okay, nawagon ko na. Our second runner-up, basketball man.
before kita mag-award, we'd like to call on the presenters of the awards. Wala na? Okay. Acknowledgement only. So we'll just acknowledge the winners of our Alumni Cup Season 1. Alright, go ahead, Sir Ian.
Okay, our second runner-up, basketball man, DK 1990, batch 1995.
Congratulations, batch 1995. Up next, our first runner-up basketball men decade 1990 is no other than batch 1998.
And champion, basketball man, DK 1990, batch 1994.
Congratulations.
Congratulations to all the winners.
Up next, our second runner-up for basketball men decade 2000 is batch 2007.
First runner-up, basketball man, DK 2000, batch 2005.
And the champion for basketball men decade 2000 is no other than batch 2008.
Alright, so may I request all the winners to please claim your prize here. Where are you? Okay?
Representative lang, no? Sa ilan ng mga batches.
Yes, of course. Second runner-up, basketball man, DK 2000. We have 2007.
First runner-up, basketball men decade 2000, batch 2005. And the champion,
Basketball man, DK 2010, batch 2014.
congratulations, batch 2014. And now we'll proceed to our volleyball cup. Congratulations to our second runner-up for men, batch 2007.
Alright, our first runner-up, volleyball man, batch 2006.
And the champion for volleyball men is no other than batch 2012.
Alright, let's proceed to our volleyball women. Second runner-up, volleyball women, batch 1996.
First runner-up, volleyball women, batch 2004.
And the champion, volleyball women, batch 2002.
Congratulations to all of the winners for our Alumni Cup Season 1. And now let's proceed to our Alumni Cup Season 2. Congratulations to the third place basketball men decade 1990, batch 1994.
Our second place, basketball man, DK 1990, batch 1995.
And the champion for basketball men decade 1990 is no other than batch 1999.
Of course! Next we have basketball man, second runner-up, basketball man, DK 2000, batch 2007.
First runner-up for basketball men decade 2000, batch 2004.
Champion, basketball man, DK 2000, batch 2008. And we have volleyball man, third place, volleyball man, batch 2014.
Second place for volleyball men, batch 2007.
And for the champion, volleyball man, batch 2012.
Congratulations to all of the winners for our Alumni Cup Seasons 1 and 2.
Season 2, Sir Paolo.
Yes, before kita mag-proceed sa next part sa ato na programa, we'd like to request again sa mga owners ng ato ng mga salakyan, ang gray na Innova with plate number FAJ 9079. Kindly proceed to your car. Again, to the owner of the green or gray Innova, no? With plate number FAJ 9079. Can you proceed to your car?
Of course, Sir Paul, WGI 834. Please proceed sa inyong car kay may magwa na aton nga guest or visitor.
Yes, that's right.
Again, WGI 834. Please proceed now sa inyong car.
Yes, that's right. Another nga car nga need man nato ni dugo na mo ang Vios nga color blue with plate number FAJ 8682. Again, FAJ 8682. Color blue nga Vios.
Okay, Sir Paulo, we would like to thank our panel board of judges. Ma'am Sarah Jane Abela Hoffenlenya,
Dr. Maria Elena Dorwelo,
and Ma'am Gertrudis Anastasia Lopez.
Napakalaga ng mga board of judges for giving us their expertise in choosing our winners.
All right, thank you so much.
Again, madamog na salamat to all of the participants for our programs for today, sa aton nga saludo dance, and of course, sa aton nga cheer dance. Siguradong busog na ang aton nga mga alumni nga rin subong nga nagtipon-tipon para sa ilang nga alumni homecoming batch 1993. Maayong hapon sa inyong tanan. 1992, 2001, ayun, batch 2001.
Yes, Sir
Mayroong hapon
Mark.
sa inyong tanan.
Namit na sa Sir Mag-inasal.
Ay, wow, sa tingin ang inasala.
May inasal ka mo da,
May
Sir?
arada?
Oo. Patulungin na kami ni Sir Mark.
Isa-isa ho, tayo.
Naipla ko sa imo inasal. Sa mga lihog na sa mga kabatches, ari na kami ni Sir Paulo sa mga stage. Kalain ba?
Yes, limuton kita nato din sila karon. Pila na itong kakapihan ang nag-offer sa atong
Oo, gani. Sir, kayo, so wala ko kung kape.
Ayun. And of course, thank you so much again to our sponsors, Atty. Raul Bituon.
Of course, First Delight Travel and Tours, LB Travel and Tours, and Transport Services.
Of course, madamo mga salamat, Honorable Mayor Judith Gallego.
And of course, sa aton nga Principal for Doña Monserrat Lopez Memorial High School, Mr. Rodito Badian.
And of course, sa ato ng mga city councilors na karigari kanina, no? Ang kaupod natin si Councilor Mike Maravilla, ang ato na salatigan, Councilor
Ryan Gamboa.
Siyempre, ang Batman hindi man magpaulihi, Councilor
Lyndon Bernardo.
Wala labog sina kagina, no? Nang hatag man cake sa kada batches na nagparade, si Councilor Max Javilona III.
Wow.
Samtang nagparade sa guwat, napanduhol to siya cake sa ila. And of course, we have here our honorable, beloved Vice Mayor sa Siyudad San Silay. We have no other than Honorable Tam Ledesma.
Of course, Councilor Noy Penuela. Thank you so much.
Madamang nga salamat sa inyong pagsuporta sa atong nga Grand Alumni Homecoming, brought to you by and hosted by our beloved batch 1999.
Okay. So this time, Sir Paulo.
Alright, so I think we're gonna hear a few words, no? Or maybe words of gratitude, ladies and gentlemen. Siya gidi ang may rason kung nga ang grand, no? One of the grandest, no? Ang atong nga alumni homecoming.
Yes, sir. Siya gini ang leader, kata, utok, sang tanan-tanan, nga subong manging success ang hosting sang batch 1999 this year Grand Alumni 2024.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the president for batch 1999. Let's all welcome on stage Dr. Charity May M. Dusaila.
Thank you for those kind words, Sir Paulo and Sir Aya, but I would like to correct both of them because I'm not the only person behind this event. Actually, we consider ourselves as facilitators. So we are just the facilitators for this year's Grand Alumni Homecoming. And you are the star of the Alumni Homecoming. That's why our theme, Pagdumdum, it is a commemoration of our own unique high school experiences. We did not have a common theme like Great Gatsby, for example, because we want you to be creative, to show to us what your high school was that we have not witnessed. So you are free to think of how you will design your floats, how you will design your canopies based on your own unique high school experiences. And Pagsaulog means our celebration of our chance to get together on an annual basis in this Grand Alumni Homecoming. And pagpadayon because alumni is not only ended in Grand Alumni Homecomings, but it goes beyond what we are celebrating here every year. So there are many batches which are having the community projects. They are extending assistance during disasters in several areas. They're extending help during opening of classes. So our being alumni is not only confined within celebrations like this, but also that we bring to the community what we can. In the same way that in our batch, we also put in the best that we can do to give you one of the memorable alumni homecomings ever. So I would like to thank all batches for participating and cooperating in this alumni homecoming, beginning with our Alumni Cup. We conceptualized the Alumni Cup because it is an event where everyone, or at least many people, will be able to showcase their sports abilities. So we just facilitated and you were the star of your own games. So congratulations and thank you very much to all batches.
Shout out Batch 96, God bless you all.
Spent much money, no? In this homecoming, we are observing not only equality but also equity, so that those who have more share more, and not to say that those who don't have less, who have less will not share anything, but their presence is already a contribution to make your participation a success. So thank you very much to all batches, and above all, thank you to our Almighty Father for giving us a very good weather today. If not for this good weather, then we might not have witnessed the dances, the showdowns of our batches. Congratulations to all of you, and thank you so much for coming in this homecoming. So tonight, this afternoon at 2 o'clock, we are going to have mini events. So there at the new covered court, we have our first game, which is an exhibition game of 16 under volleyball girls of St. John's Institute and Bacolod Taito High School. That's one of the events that we offer to you. So we are inviting you to go over to the new covered court to witness our volleyball exhibition game. This will be followed by an all-stars game of decades 1990s, to be followed by an all-star basketball game of decade 2000. So just transfer to the new covered court, and later at 4 p.m. we have a Zumba dance exercise here at our alumni grounds. Thank you once again, and congratulations to all of us.
Madamong salamat, Dr. Charity May and Dosila, President of Batch 1999. As to what Dr. Charity have said, this has been a collaborative efforts of all the batches here at Doña Montserrat Lopez Memorial High School. So again, palakpakan sa tanan ng mga batches nga ari diri subong kay kamo ang star sa aton nga Grand Alumni Homecoming. Very nice words, from Dr. Charity, because they're only facilitators who have been instruments, for this Grand Alumni Homecoming. Thank you so much, ma'am, for this kind words, and for your generosity as well as for your service. And to the rest of the team of Batch 1999, kudos good. All right. So I think we're ready now to announce our winners. Okay, masugod kita sa aton nga saludo contest nga mga winners. Ari diri sa akon ang winners or ang aton nga results for our saludo contest. Alright, mag-cheer, dance na lang kita danay. Okay. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, again, thank you so much to our board of judges and ang aton nga winners. Should we just acknowledge or invite them here in front of the stage?
Of course, we're going to invite them, our winners. And of course, we would like to request Ma'am Sarah Jane Abella to give their prize.
For our third runner-up, congratulations to Batch
Cheer Dance. Third runner-up goes to a third place.
Goes to Batch
2012. Okay, 2012 for Cheer Dance. Third placer.
We'd like to request a representative or the officers of Batch 2012 to please proceed here on stage. Again, Batch 2012, please join us here on stage for your awarding.
Sir Armando,
March.
where are you?
Yon. All right, congratulations to our third place batch 2012.
To receive 2,000 pesos.
Yes, my cash prize na 2,000 pesos plus a certificate. Again, congratulations.
Batch 2012, third place for our cheer dance competition.
All right.
Alright.
Well, we're still waiting for our award.
2012. Dili ka mo sa piyak.
We'd like to acknowledge again the owner of the Gray Innova with FAJ 9079 kay mahalin na po mo ang salakyan.
2012.
Again, Bios Luman, FAJ 8682. Please have your cars moved immediately. Thank you so much. Alright, congratulations, batch 2012. Third place with cash prize of 2,000 pesos.
Okay, this year third runner-up for cheer dance. 2012.
Ayun, smile for the camera. 3, 2, 1.
Alright, once again, congratulations, 2012.
And now let's proceed to our second place.
Okay, our second place will receive
A cash prize of 3,000 pesos and a certificate. And to present the award, we'd like to invite one of our judges, Dr. Maria Elena Doruelo. Yon. Please join us here now to present the awards. And thank you so much for the sponsored drinks. Ayan, sa atin.
Wow, thank you so much. Ano ka mga batch?
2015.
2015. So thank you sa pag-Gatorade.
Yes. Up next.
Okay, our second place.
Congratulations.
For dance.
Congratulations, batch
2010. 2010. Sala-sala sila.
Batch 2010 shall receive the cash prize of 3,000 pesos! Wow!
Wow!
Sulit na sulit!
Second
Sa piyak,
place is
sa
batch
piyak. Okay,
2010.
gusto na sala sila?
Second place.
3,000 sila, sir!
Yes.
Mga friend ko, give me sila.
Congratulations! Pwede na tumasang kilos ang leksyon!
Yes! Okay! Diri-diri! Dala ka mo man? Patubang mo.
Hi, congratulations! Alright, photo please with our presenter, Dr. Chan. Please join me.
Okay, and of course, thank you so much, Ma'am Maria Elena Doruelo.
Let's smile for the camera. 3, 2, 1.
Alright! Congratulations once again, 2010!
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the winner for the best cheer dance with a cash prize of 5,000 pesos! Congratulations to batch number...
And the champion goes to
Batch
2005!
2005!
2005 is our grand champion.
To present the award, let's
Martha
go
cheer
on.
dance.
One of our judges, Ma'am Gertrudis
Anastasia Lopez. Dali sa pila.
Alright, congratulations, ma'am. Here's the award. 2005. Our champion for this year's Grand Alumni Homecoming Cheer Dance 2024.
Yes! Congratulations, Batch 2005. Congrats! Okay, tama na guro. Hindi na tayo. Congratulations! Congratulations!
Come on, okay,
Mayroon lang ko daan. Ano gawin yung Sir Paulo, batch 2005.
Congratulations. Alright, now let's proceed to the winners of our Saludo contest. Our third place shall receive a cash prize of
1,000 pesos!
Congratulations to our third place. Again, to present the award, we have
Ma'am Sarah Jane Abella Hotelenia.
Ma'am Sarah, please join us here to present the award. And again, to our third placer, to the winners, please join us here on stage. Our third place goes to batch
1989. Sorry. 1991. Sorry.
Okay lang, batch 1991
Our third place.
Alright, again, no, among ginaparawagan ang may mga owners ng salakyan na Toyota Vios, FAJ 8686, Innova FAJ 9079, ara sa new covered court. Palihog lang kadto sa inyo nga salakyan para maidog kay may magwa ng mga guests. Again, Toyota Vios FAJ 8686, Innova FAJ 9079.
Okay, our third place, batch 1991.
Congratulations.
Okay, to give the award, Ma'am Sarah Jane Bella Hotelenia.
Award din.
Congratulations, batch 1991.
Third place for this year's Saludo contest of our Grand Alumni Homecoming 2024. And now let's proceed to our second place. The second placer received a cash prize of 2,000 pesos. So to present the award, we have Dr. Maria Elena Doruelo.
Okay, batch 1991. Good job. Congratulations.
Oh. Alright, our second place this time. Congratulations to batch 1989.
Our second place for Saludo contest, we have
batch 1989. Congratulations, you shall receive a cash prize worth 2,000 pesos. Alright, again, representatives from batch 1989, please join us here on stage.
Ayun silang parts. 1989. Wala na? Hubog na tanan? Ako tulog na tanan?
Ara pa. Batch 1989. Again, batch 1989, please claim your prize here on stage.
Where are you?
Sir, yeah.
Hey, sir. Sa piyak, sir.
Ara sa pinakalagot, sir, sorry.
Si sir, laki diyang malakas kaya siya na lang nabilin. Pila ilaw price, sir? 2,000 pesos.
2,000 pesos.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Congratulations. Alright, now this time, ladies and gentlemen, we will announce the champion or the best Saludo. The winner shall receive a cash prize worth 3,000 pesos. And to present the award, we have
Ma'am Gertrudis Anastasia Lopez.
And the champion for this year's Saludo of the Grand Alumni Homecoming 2024 is no other than batch
1980. Okay, batch 1980.
Batch 1980, congratulations to our champion for this year's Saludo Contest 2024.
Alright, where are you? Amo na lang ni Goro, ma'am. Ato na lang ni Goro, ma'am, tumaon. Okay, batch 1980.
Batch 1980, 1980. Please join us here on stage to claim your prize.
Yay! 1,000 pesos! Ayan sila. Si Arnel, giniyanan pa daon sa batch 1980.
Siya itong may pinakabuglaing aro.
Yes. Siya itong pinakabudlay mag-uyat sa bamboo stick with shower.
Oh wow, ako yung batch ni Ma'am Gina.
Yeah.
Ma'am Gina Bituon. Wow, congratulations. Proud na proud kid si Mr. Attorney Raul.
Bituon.
Congratulations sa inyong batch ni Ma'am Gina.
Okay. 5 counts. Kung hindi ka mo makasaka sa stage, amo na lang inyong prize. 1, 2, 3. Baka mo na yun si Ma'am Gina. Alright. Batch 1980. Sa babaw ka mo, ma'am. Ano ba sa inyong beauty? Kag-champion. Ma'am Jean, congratulations! And to all batch 1980, Arnel! Tingnan, go! Go, go!
Alam grabe, mahal, lipay-lipay.
Dali, dali, dali.
Dasig, dasig.
Alright, congratulations, batch 1980 for winning our best saludo
For this year, 2024.
Alright, good job.
Congratulations! And thank you so much, Ma'am Joanne Lopez.
Oh,
Yes.
big ma'am.
Yes.
Kamugitan champion. There we have it. Thank you so much to our winners. And this time, we'd also like to thank the people responsible for picking our winners for having a hard time now in choosing our champions. Thank you so much to our board of judges. First off, we have Ma'am Sarah Jane Adelia Opedenio.
And of course, we have Dr. Maria Elena Goruelo.
And of course, lastly, Ma'am Gertrudis Anastasia Lopez.
Lopez, thank you
Please
so
join us here in front
much.
of the stage for a photo op, and also please claim your
Envelope.
acknowledgement, no? Your honorarium. Madamong kini salamat for your service, no? For joining this year's Grand Alumni Homecoming and in choosing our winners.
May I request our board of judges
To please stand here in front of the stage for a photo op with our Team Silay Pitiqueros, Madam
Piticachu.
Piticachu.
Alright.
Alright, smile for the camera. 3, 2, 1. Alright, there we have it. Time check. Alas ano na?
1:30! Grabe, wala ka sa kakahapon. Mabawi na niya, sir. Alright.
There we have it. No, madamong nga salamat sa liwat sa tanan yung badges nga na-participate sa ato ng mga pa-contest.
Yes, of course, sir. Tanan man nga batches nga nag-attend subong nga Grand Alumni Homecoming 2024. Thank you so much!
Madamong nga salamat. You are all the stars for this year's Grand Alumni Homecoming here in 2024.
And of course, sir, kina-invite na sila tanan karon sa gabi.
Yes,
We
that's
have
right.
live band and live DJ karon sa gabi.
Wow, ma-party-party kita pero
Yes, of course, we have also a raffle draw of trip to Bohol.
And of course, naalala kita mga beauty packages brought to you by Vazuke Skincare Clinic. So after the Alumni Homecoming, may libre, no? May chance ka mo magpa-beauty.
Yes.
This is brought to you by yours truly, Paolo Choco.
Alright, so kina-invite naman ka mo karon tanan nga magbalik karon sa gabi para sa aton nga party!
Alright, for sure, ready na si Sir Ian once again. We will see you again later, no? May arap kita mga exhibition games dira sa aton yung new covered court. And other than that, at 4 p.m. may arap kita diri Pasumba.
Okay, of course, hosted by Batch 1999.
Yes, madamong business salamat again to Batch 1999 for pulling off one of the grandest Grand Alumni Homecoming here at Doña Montserrat Lopez Memorial High School. Once again, I'm Paolo Choco.
And this is Ian Robert Ramirez.
Madamong niya
Salamat sa inyong tanan!
Happy Grand Alumni Homecoming 2024.
Okay!
Thank you so much, guys. See you later.